Good day everyone, Sir Ian here and welcome to IG Science Outlook, your quick guide for all your science tutorials. So let's get started. In this video, we will solve sample problem on integrated rate law for second order reaction. Now I have here a sample problem. The rate constant for the second order reaction A forming B is 0.02 per molar per second. If the initial concentration of A is 0.1 molar, what will be the concentration of A after 50 seconds? To answer a problem, I have outlined here some of the steps in order for you to get the correct answer. Number one is you need to read and understand the problem. Now, knowing the overall picture of the problem will help you figure out the solution. Number two, you write the given. It is very important that you know the values of these quantities. And number three, write what is being asked in the problem, of course, so that you will be guided in your solution. And then number four, write the step-by-step solution. And the last is review your answers. In this problem, we were given with the rate constant K equal to 0.02 per molar per second. The initial concentration of A equal to 0.1 molar. The time equal to 50 seconds. And what is asked in the problem is the final concentration of A at time equals 50 seconds. Now, in order to solve this problem, we need to know the equation of the integrated rate law for the first order equation. And it's given by 1 over concentration of A equal to the rate constant K times the time T plus 1 divided by initial concentration of A. Substituting the values, we get 1 over concentration of A equal to 0.02 per molar per second times 50 seconds plus 1 over 0.1 molar. Evaluating the term on the right side of the equation, we get 1 over m plus 10 over m, and we get 11 over m. And solving for the value of concentration of A, we get 0.091 molar. That will be our final answer. That's all for today and see you in my next video.